and welcome. This is the intro to a series about building applications on Productive24AI Studio, a platform for business systems of any kind. Over the next episodes, we'll build a full application from scratch, step by step. Right now, in this short intro, I will walk you through Studio itself, the workspace where all the building happens. In about 5 minutes, you will know what's on the screen and how to move around, so the next episode can jump straight into building. This is Studio's dashboard, your home base. Let's do a quick lap. Look at the bottom bar first. It tells you exactly where you are, the platform version, the configuration code, the business context, who you're logged in as, and importantly, the branch you're currently on. On the right, you've got Create for quick element creation, shortcuts that you have added, and status bar settings. For example, we can turn off the version. And it's not here anymore. Down the left panel is your toolkit. Home brings you back to the dashboard. Commit lists your uncommitted changes as modified files. Git panel shows the history, commits, and deploys. Application logs collect runtime issues. Terminal is where you chat with agents built into the platform. And documentation open the platform's reference pages, right in the Studio. There are 2 ways to move around the Studio. The menu panel on the left is categorized searchable directory, every workspace section listed alphabetically, from advanced filters through data sources, errors, and everything else. For example, the errors section. It shows every active configuration problem with a click through to the source. And control space is the faster route, a search overlay that jumps straight to any element by name and can trigger actions, like new actions, right from the search box. The dashboard itself is customizable. You can arrange the panels to surface what you actually use. For example, we can add a shortcut to documentation, and it's in here. 2 more clicks each. Press your name on the bottom bar to open your user profile. That's your account and personal preferences. And the settings button below over the same bar. These are instance levels workspace preferences that apply to everyone using this configuration. So what does a configurator actually build in a Studio? A P24 application is a set of elements. The most common ones, the ones this series will teach you are the document definition, the blueprint for records, views, how documents get displayed, lists, task boards, calendars, reports, actions, buttons users trigger, and lists, value sets from simple drop-downs to document-based lookups, data sources, queries that fit views and other logic, relations, a link between one document and the other, and permissions, who sees and does what. Almost everything you configure here is stored as text files in a Git repository. That's why the Commit tab and the Git panel exist. Open the Git panel and click on any commit. You see the files that changed. Now one of those elements. Here we can pull up an action from the fast search, and you see the editor. A clean form with all the settings laid out. Switch to file view, and the curtain lifts. Every element is just files. This is what configuration as code means in practice. A handful of pieces are the exception. Language resources for translations, and a few other database side elements live directly in the platform's database, instead of in Git for security reasons, among others. Some content shouldn't sit in a repo, where everyone with access to the code can read them. You will spot them on site. Whenever you open a database side element, the title carries an orange database element badge, so you always know which mechanism a given element uses. There are 2 ways to build in Studio. On your left, you can see the classic route. A field is added by hand. On your right, you can see the Claude doing the same for you based on one prompt. Both routes touch exactly the same files. The change lands on your branch either way. Visible in Studio, visible in the Commit tab. Visible to review, fully transparent. In every following episode, we show you both. First, by hand, so you see where each setting lives. Then the same thing with Claude, so you see how fast it becomes in day-to-day work. That's Studio in a nutshell. The dashboard, the bottom bar, the left panel, the elements you'll build, and 2 ways to build them. In the next episode, we open Studio for real and build our first document definition, company, from scratch. See you there!